How about we just try and do an autorotation with a nice recovery power on, obviously, but nice and close to the ground, and show you the profile of the level and then the drop to the ground. Right? Now on the autorotation, when you flare, I want you to bring those RPMs up to 109. Okay? Don't be afraid about it. Bring them up. Okay? If you feel that they're going too high, all you have to do is forward cycle it. No? That's all you have to do. Don't worry about the overspeed. You better be safe and sorry. Trust me, you want to be safe. You don't want to be sorry. Clear left. Right side is clear. It's a very unforgiving aircraft. There's no room for mistake. So carby goes down. Okay. And enter our rotation in 3, 2, 1. All right. Establish your glide. Good. More over the runway. Man, we climbed at 2,000 feet off the on a pickup. Good auto rotation, very good. Coming to 40 feet. Start your flare. Start your flare. But let it glide. Lower the collective. Lower the collective. And forward. This is where you drop and you raise right before touching the ground. All right. It's that drop. It's a hover auto. Think of it as a huge hover auto. But you got momentum and you got RPMs. That's what's good for you. All right. It's like normally it will be something like a 5 to 8 foot hover auto, but with 110 RPMs and a bit of forward motion. Okay. Now the yank at the bottom is violent. The yank. What do you mean? Oh. Okay. I like to do a two-stage. One, when you level, you do a small pitch pull. It'll really level you, and then. Okay, so I'm just going to show you. We won't touch the ground. Put your hand on the controls. Turning our rotation. 3, 2, 1. Long, right pedal, roll off. Small pitch pull. All right, perfect. We look at our spot. Here we go. Okay. Alright, nice, 65 is good, RPMs are good, looking good so far. Okay, so yeah, I'm chasing the needle a bit. Now we come to our 40 feet, start our flare, slowly, slowly. Now I crack on the throttle, big, 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 big. Now forward, raise, and whoop. See? And if you do it with this speed, it's perfect. Yeah. Alright? Now, obviously there was a bit of yaw because the power is in. No power, no yaw. Alright? Now did you see how I pulled the power just on that last moment? I just raised it on that last moment. One continuous pull. That's exactly how you do it. Alright? 3, 2, 1. And I like the way you enter your rotation. It's very smooth, very relaxed. Look at you. Relaxed, everything's good. I mean, it's perfect. That speed is your friend. Speed is money in the bank. Alright, look at those RPMs. Dude, you gotta roll it on. And forward, and now you raise. That was almost a pull down, man. You forgot to roll it on, huh? The thing is, and this is what the danger is, if you don't roll it on, you have to have it in D10s. Or else when you raise that correlator is gonna kick, and you're gonna, it's really fast. It's like that, alright? Let's go, let's do it. Alright, nice and calm, okay? Yep. Let that drop come. Don't worry about the ground. Look outside. Don't look here. Look here. I was watching those RPMs last time. You watch the RPMs, some of you look there like, oh my God. No, relax, you know. Okay? Okay. Carby goes down. 3, 2, 1. All right. Bring us over the line. Look, good profile, looks good, speed is good. Okay, let's go. Now on your full down, you don't have to aim for a spot, it's just anywhere on the runway, okay? So, here we come, look at those RPMs, let's start flare, crack the throttle, flare, now forward. Let it drop, man. Sorry, it's not instinct. Let it drop. Go again, yeah. Carby down. Get the setup. What's the setup for an auto rotation? 70 knots, 500 feet. All right. Tezu. PTS. Okay, ready? All right. 3, 2, 1. All right. It's looking good, man. Looking good. That speed is going to help you. It's going to bring those RPMs up. Okay, so let's start our flare here. bigger flare, bigger, 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 bigger. Now, forward. That's it. Okay. That's exactly it.
Man, you just have to. That's pretty awesome.
You have to wait. Right now, something went wrong on our flare. You see, we started ballooning.
Yeah.
Not good. Okay.
Is that because we weren't flat, or we weren't
collective? Well, all the way down. Right? When you flare, you use the collective to maintain so you don't balloon. Because you're flaring really aggressively, you know?
Yeah.
So you're going to start ballooning. So lower the collective, join the flare, and then, alright?
Yep.
Doing more.
I like to use.
The front part of the skids are softer.
Yeah.
Right? The cross beam is flexible. The aft part is rigid. So if you land slightly tilted forward, it'll kind of cushion you.
Yeah.
If you land aft, it'll be rough. Okay. Right? And you know, some people develop a certain fear to it. I tried both ways, and I agreed with my CFI. Front is much better. You know, you kind of just slowly tip it forward, like whoop.
Yeah.
All right. And obviously, as soon as you're on the ground, collective full down, create some friction and stop you, okay? Grab it full down. When you're ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, now at this point you would roll it into detent, alright?
Yeah.
And you hold it in detent all the way, alright? Speed, no, let the RPM, whoa. Alright, now start your flare. Check the throttle. Keep your eyes on those RPMs. See lower, 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 and that's it. That's exactly it. All right.
Wow.
Now, when you level, you can also level a bit earlier and not wait before you touch the ground. You know?
Yeah.
Because we're coming in like this. You can come in and this. All right.
Okay.
Let's go again.